Trackmaster 2-inch disc chipper after a full service. Just changed the blade, put a sharp blade in it, new anvil, gapped the blades to about 40 thou. As you can see, self-feeds really well. That's only small stuff, produces really good quality chip. It's only small stuff, but that's all I've got at the minute. I really like this chipper because it's small, both for storage and for transport. You know, it fits in the back of a Fiesta if you need it to. Really handy little chipper. This one's got a GX 160 on it. I'm going to pressure wash it now. That was just a test run. But yeah, they came with a GX 200. They also did a C90i, I think it was called, and that was the same machine, but they branded it as a chipper shredder. It was obviously still a chipper because everything it processed had to go through the chipping knives first. But it was the same as this, but on the fan disc it had some rotating flail knives, which obviously it couldn't be used as a sole shredder because everything that went to the shredding blades used to have to go through the chipper knife. So there was no difference in capacity between the C90 and the C50. Like I said, GP 160, GX 160, GX 200 engine options, 2.5 inch capacity depending on the model. Fab little chipper really.